What's up, guys? It is TechSigs here, back for another video. Now, if you recall from last time, you'll remember that I was not the biggest fan of Drupal, and that remains true for this video, unfortunately. So I'm using it again, giving it a second shot, trying to get better at this site, and again, it's just causing frustration. But nevertheless, we're going to get into Drupal, and today we're going to be talking about how Drupal can access APIs to work with other platforms. So with that, let's get on to the video. Alright guys, so here it is. Here's my Drupal site again. I made a little bit of updates, so I was able to get all my courses on one page. Wasn't too big of a deal. Just use the view tab to get this view going and get all of my courses on one page. So to start an API, you need to enable a lot of extensions. Once you enable the extensions, which I'm not going to go through right now because it's not very tedious, but just there's a lot of documentation and it's kind of just boring to watch. So once you enable all of those, you can go into this view here. Just type in JSON API. And if you didn't have this enabled and you wanted to look at the format, it would kind of look like that. Just kind of gross to look at and not very useful. But with JSON API, it makes it a lot more easy to look at and understand what you're doing. So once you do this, the way this works is, again, with a bunch of other extensions. You can go in to a website like CodePen, and you can go in. So this is an example of a linked API with the Drupal account. So as you can see, it's showing the front end stuff, but then it's also, if you want to access course, you can go into the back end and it'll show you everything with there. So unfortunately, have been trying to do this and I don't understand why it's not working for me. I believe you saw it, but yeah, here we go. So I went in. Oh no, now it didn't even save it. That is a bummer. Let's see if I can quick fix this. Anyway, well, actually, let's just try and do this together. So, yeah, I have my URL. That is my URL here. We're going to try and figure this out together and why it's not showing what I want to show it. So we have my URL here. Didn't want to change any of that stuff. And then, yeah, this is where I think I want to go. Let me try this again. What did I want? I wanted faculty, node/faculty. So let's try this quick. Alright, so we're in here and we can see our data. We can see some emails and my teachers' names. So that is right. Going through, and I think there was only one other place I need to get it, and I believe that's where we want to get it. We want to get the path from faculty. I think that's right. That might be where I'm making a mistake here. Please let me know if you guys know. And then later we want to, maybe this is why. Later we want to change the attributes. So before it wasn't actually going to my attributes because mine were labeled different. So I wanted title. Yeah, I wanted to display my title, and I also wanted to display the field _email to get the email on there. And that's what I did. And I didn't want to change the picture because that's not really important right now. And what do you know? It is not working. So again, that's how it's supposed to work, guys. I'm really sorry that it's not working for me, but you can see how it's supposed to work. Again, API showing the Drupal site on this, and then you can also edit on the Drupal site, and it'll show up on this right away. So again, I hate to do this to you like I did last week, but if you guys know what I'm doing, I believe it's something with this that's not allowing me to show my own site. I think I'm doing the wrong path. Please let me know next week. I promise this time we'll be off Drupal. And with that, I hope you guys have a great week.